Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Biology Objective Past Question 23. Oxygen comes out of the stomata during photosynthesis through the process known as A. Diffusion, B. Transpiration pool, C. Osmosis, D. Active transport. Now, the stomata is basically just a pore or pores, because there are more than one, and they are found in the epidermis. They are found in the epidermis of leaves and stems, that is of plants, that controls the rate of gas exchange. So this is their major function, regulating the rate of gas exchange. Now, gas exchange in plants involves the diffusion of oxygen out of the plant and CO2 into the plant. So this is what happens in gas exchange in plants. Now, diffusion is the movement of molecules or particles, which are usually liquid or gas, from a region of high concentration to a region of low concentration. So this means that you have buildup of oxygen within the plant. So the concentration in the plant is higher, so it diffuses out, so comes out of the stomata. So it diffuses out of the plant via the stomata during photosynthesis, and then the plant also takes in CO2 that it requires into itself. So you can see that you have the movement of the oxygen molecules from the region of high concentration, where it is more within the plant, to a region of lower concentration, which is outside. So, as we've rightly established, diffusion is the process by which oxygen comes out of the stomata during photosynthesis. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.